Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, here we go. 2 pasture-raised eggs. That's a slice of cheddar cheese. That's some nice, freshly sliced Italian bread. There's one of the stars of the show. That's a salsa, one of my favorite brands. This is a green chili salsa from New Mexico. I know it's red, but it's green chilies. A little butter, a little salt and pepper. Hey, Mike Foster here. How you guys doing? Today, it's another killer fried egg sandwich. Now, I've made dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of fried egg sandwiches, and they're delicious. Check them all out on my playlist, all my other egg recipes. This one is 2 fried eggs, melted cheese on top, with salsa on toasted Italian bread with a little butter on it. It's gonna be killer diller. I'll meet you at the stove, put this baby together. All right, this is a medium pan. I'm gonna start off with some butter like we always do. Give it a good smack so it's nice and coated. Let's mix that baby up. All right, here's the first egg. Alrighty. Here's his brother or sister. Let's put a little pepper on there. Right, I think it's time for a little flipperoo. That one looks good. That one looks good. Now, cover that one with cheese. This one will have no cheese. Put it all the way to low. Get that toast ready. When this cheese is melted, we'll put this rest of this beautiful baby together. Toast has just come out. It looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Gonna give it some butter on both sides. We take this salsa and let's put that salsa down here. It's one of the stars of the show. Don't be shy with it. Oh, this is gonna taste delish. Now it's time for the egg. I'm gonna put one right here. That one is the one with the cheese, and then this one right here with no cheese. So it's got some with cheese and some without cheese. 1 crack of salt, the old flipperoo, the old presseroo, rotate it, let's do the slice. A roux. Here's the reveal. This is a mess. Look at it. See if it's a tasty mess. There's your close-up. Big bite coming up. All right, there it is. It might be a little messy to eat. Messier the better. All right, I'm ready for the bite. Right off my taste buds are being assaulted by the crunchy toast that's buttered, the salsa, tangy, the creamy eggs and the creamy cheese. Let's dip it into some of this yolk over here that escaped. Your fingers. Another bite. Thumbs up, baby. You gotta try new things. This will give you some protein with the cheese and the eggs. Give you a few carbs. It'll give you some healthy benefits from the salsa. But note this sandwich really is for killer diller deliciousness. There it is. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Tell people about it, subscribe. Keep on living life 365. Till next time, peace. Aw.
Live life 365.
All right, that's it. Are you kidding me? Keep on living life. Whoops. Gotta get the salt and pepper. Got it. There it is. There it is. There's the salt. There's the pepper. This is Mike's. This is Mike's. Mike's spices. That's only a little of my tea. I got more tea up here. This is all for the outtakes. I got tea coming out. That's gas relief. That's for my wife, not me. That's for her too. Lots of organic green teas. I like peppers. Sweet baby! No doubt, that was delicious. And peace and love and Baba. All right, here's the first egg. That's a fucking broken one. Take that one off. Shut it down.